Have you ever wondered how trigonometry is used in real life? Perhaps you think it's just a complex mathematical concept reserved for the scholars and academics, or maybe you're not even sure what it is. Fear not. For today, we delve into the world of trigonometry, breaking it down into simple, understandable terms. Trigonometry, at its core, is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships involving lengths and angles of triangles. The word itself comes from the Greek words trigonon, which means triangle, and metron, which means measure. So, essentially, trigonometry is all about measuring triangles. But it's not just any triangles that trigonometry is interested in. Oh no, it's specifically right-angled triangles. A right-angled triangle, as the name suggests, is a triangle with one angle that is exactly 90 degrees. The longest side of this triangle, opposite the right angle, is known as the hypotenuse. The other two sides are commonly referred to as the opposite and the adjacent, relative to the angle you're considering. Now, where trigonometry gets interesting is in its use of ratios. A ratio is simply a comparison of two quantities. In trigonometry, the three most common ratios are sine, cosine, and tangent, often abbreviated as sin, cos, and tan. Each of these ratios compares different pairs of sides in a right-angled triangle. The sine of an angle measures the ratio of the length of the side opposite the angle to the length of the hypotenuse. The cosine measures the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. And the tangent, it compares the opposite side to the adjacent. But trigonometry isn't just about measuring triangles and calculating ratios. It has practical applications in many areas of life. From the architecture of the grandest buildings to the waves of the deepest seas, from the flight path of an airplane to the pixels on a computer screen, trigonometry is everywhere. It's even used in the field of music, for sound wave modulation. To summarize, trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that focuses on the relationships between the sides and angles of right-angled triangles. It uses ratios, specifically sine, cosine, and tangent, to compare different pairs of sides in a triangle. And it's far from being a theoretical concept with practical applications in numerous areas of life. So, the next time you see a triangle, or hear the words sine, cosine, or tangent, remember, it's not just a mathematical concept. It's a language that helps us understand the world around us, in angles and ratios, through the lens of trigonometry.
इंटरेस्टिंग सा चीज़ है, जानेंगे तो बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें इसमें सीख सकते हैं। धन्यवाद।